Hi, I'm Nadav Ben-David, and I'm a part of the class of 2025, and today we'll be exploring the Vltava River here in Prague, Czech Republic. The Vltava is actually the longest running river in all of the Czech Republic, and it's an extremely important and iconic part of Prague and its history. I'm actually lucky enough to live a 2-minute walk from this river, so I get to see it almost every day. While you walk down the river, you can see a lot of beautiful things, like its wildlife. They have birds and even beavers here. You'll also see beautiful architecture. Right now we're in fall, so as you can see, there's beautiful colors everywhere. In a very similar way to Portland, the river here cuts right through the city and separates it into two different halves. Since Prague is such an old city, it blows my mind that people have been enjoying this river for centuries. One of my favorite memories here is on my first night here in Prague. I went by here and I got a drink just on the river, and I got to see the sunset over Prague Castle, and it just felt so beautiful and so iconic, and I just felt so excited and grateful to be here. I highly recommend the opportunity to study abroad. It's been so phenomenal so far, and I'm so excited for the rest of my time here. Prague is an amazing city. It is one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to in my life, and I'm so grateful that Lewis and Clark offered me this opportunity.